Hi everybody, I am Katie Bowden and I am one of the coaches helping run this challenge group. Excuse me, I've had a bit of a cold, so bear with me. Helping run this challenge group for the next 21 days. Mission SLIMPOSSIBLE. We're so excited you're here and we're so excited to kick this off Monday and get started that I wanted to give you some information before you guys hit the ground running on Monday, all right? So just watch this quick little video. And when you're done, I'll have a little task for you at the end so we know you watched it. All right, what's first? Let's see. First of all, I want to say this is a private Facebook group. It's a safe, judgment-free zone where we're all working for the same thing, to get healthy, to meet our goals, right? So know that there's no judgment here and it's a private, safe group. So whatever you post is only seen by the coaches that are here and then the other challengers, okay? So judgment-free zone. The second thing I wanted to say is that we all have a different chapter 1, right? Everyone here is in different shapes, different sizes, different starting points. Some may be wanting to lose 5 pounds, others may be starting to lose 100, 50, whatever it is. Or others might just be freshening up. They've gotten off track in the last month and they want to start again anew. So keep that in mind. You can't compare yourself to anyone else, right? You're here and that is huge, and be proud of yourself. So don't compare yourself to anyone else because you are enough and you're awesome for being here. All right? So no comparisons. Okay? So how does this group work? The group works in that we're going to be the coaches, the other 4 coaches that are running this group with me are going to be posting daily. We're going to do morning posts, and then we're going to do afternoon posts, and then evening posts, the evening check-ins. So in the morning, we're going to be talking about goal setting, habits, working on you from the inside out, which is really vital in this process, okay? And then in the afternoon, we might give you some nutrition tips, things that you may not have known about products or items or foods or the nutritional value of things. And then in the evening, we'll be asking you what your workout was, what Shakeology did you drink, how you're feeling today, did you get enough sleep, did you drink enough water, and maybe some questions just to get to know you, because we're here to have fun, right? And maybe make some new friends and all have a good time and get to know each other better, right? So I want to say that participating in this will help you. Participation is key. You don't have to, and we're not going to police you. We're not going to be like, hey, you're not posting. But you will get more out of this if you participate. Okay? I learned that in my first group that I ever did. I started off strong. I participated the first 2 weeks, and then I got busy, and my results reflected that, right? So participation is key. Again, we're not going to police it. We all are adults. We all have our own lives, so it's up to you. All right? Okay, so I have a few rules or tasks for you, okay? So the first one is get rid of anything that might tempt you in the next 21 days. Maybe it's 5 bites left in a pint of ice cream, or a bag of chips, or leftover Easter candy, or a pack of Coke, or whatever it is. Whatever that is that you think might tempt you or derail you, get rid of it. We believe in an 80-20 lifestyle. 80% of the time you're eating well and good. 20% of the time you can, indulge on the things you love. But for these next 21 days, we really want you to stay true to your meal plan and true to your fitness regime so that you can see the best results, right? That's the first thing. The second thing is schedule when you're going to work out. When are you going to work out? Schedule it. Commit to it. Just like you schedule a doctor's appointment or you would schedule a meeting at work. Schedule it and commit to it. If it helps you, write it down, print it out so you can check it off. But whatever that is, schedule it and commit to it, okay? The next thing I want you to do is whatever plan you chose, I want you to go through the meal plan. I want you to get familiar with it. I want you to understand it so that you're ready to hit the ground running on Monday. And if you have any questions, reach out to your coach, okay? Reach out to that coach that brought you here and say, I don't understand this. Maybe you don't know how to log on to Beachbody On Demand. That's okay. Ask your coach, right? That's the third thing. The fourth thing I want you to do is to get your pictures and your measurements, which is going to be another post later today about that and how exactly you do that. But we're going to be asking you to take before pictures. There's also an incentive to send those to beachbody.com and to win a prize. So watch for that post. But take those pictures and we're going to ask you to post them on the private Facebook wall. If you're not comfortable with that, that's okay. It's a scary thing. I'll admit my first group, I didn't do it. I was scared, right? But it really helps with accountability. It really helps with making sure you're following through with what you're here to do, right? You're committing this to yourself and you're accountable to yourself. But it really helps in that if you can show those pictures, and then when you see the after pictures, you'll be blown away, right? But if you're not comfortable with that, just send them to the coach that brought you here. That's totally fine. Okay, so the last little rule or thing I want you to do is, after you've taken your pictures and weighed yourself and done your measurements, is get rid of your scale. Hide it in the attic, take it to work, give it to somebody, give it to your neighbor, put it away. You will not get on that scale again until the 21 days is over, all right? There's a lot more victories to this than the scale victories. We're going to be focusing on things like how you're feeling, how your skin looks, your energy level, how your clothes are fitting. All of those types of things, right? Don't get on the scale again. I didn't listen to my coach and I made that mistake. And a week in, I'd gained weight. And in the end result, I did well. But your body is changing. You're gaining muscle. You're, probably drinking more water than you're used to. So you're losing the water weight. But do not weigh yourself except for that first weigh-in, and then wait 21 days. Okay, so after you've watched this video, we would love it if you would comment below and introduce yourself. Tell us a little bit about yourself, where you're from, why you're here, if you're comfortable with that. Just so we know you've watched it and so we can get to know each other, because the biggest thing we want to do in this group is have fun and get to know each other and maybe make some friends, right? So again, we're so glad you're here and we can't wait to get started on Monday, and we look forward to getting to know you better. Have a blessed weekend.